Do you think computers or robots will one day replace teachers in the classroom?
No. So I asked that question to one of my, they said a people like one of my hire designer. I asked him, will computer technology change the way we design? And he said no. He explained. So and I agree with him. And I would say the same thing about teachers. I think computer technologies and it will help teachers. It's a tools for people to use, and it needs a human to operate it. So no matter how you choose to operate it, you coding it, you type in some words, or you make it prettier, a design in a design way, it still need a human hand on it, right? So I don't think that any technologies or computers will replace human being.
Do you think computers or robots will one day replace teachers in the classroom?
Do I think they're going to replace them? I think they're replacing them right now. I mean, I know a lot of teachers right now keep giving me links to these videos and online exercises, and I mean, they must believe it's more effective, at least for them, but I pretty much prefer to be taught hand in hand. So I don't like how it's changing, but it is.
Do you think computers or robots will one day replace teachers in the classroom?
This is one of the scariest questions ever. I mean, I hope not. Absolutely hope not. To see computers replace, human teachers in the classroom, I mean, that's just, computers are robots. Like, they're perfect. And I think having them around makes you as a human feel like you're not good enough. And learning is not perfect. It's not perfect science. You have to learn through another human. You need to grow to love something through a relationship with a human teacher. And you won't have that with a robot because they're so perfect. So I do not even want to think about whether this is an actual possibility just because, I just hope it doesn't happen.
All right, and now over to you. Do you think computers or robots will someday replace teachers in the classroom?